Hey everyone, how's it going? I got my little helper here today and we are going to be installing a 4122 winch Fairlead and shackle. You want to show them? Show them what it is? And yeah, so we are just going to go head down and grab some tools and then get to the install. Alright, so we got our tools, but I think we're going to go on a little quad ride first. What do you think?
Yeah.
Should we go to the trail?
Yeah, what? Punch it.
Punch it in the trail?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, it's pretty windy out, so I'm just going to move the car over so then I don't have to deal with all this wind blowing me all around. Alright, so first thing first, just got to lower down the old winch shackle. Now that I got that hooked up, just lower it down. There we go.
Want me to do it?
Yeah, let me see for a second.
Let me.
Let me just make sure it's tightening it though. Wait 1 second, please. Alright, now tighten it. Yeah, keep going. Big, strong muscles. In there. All right, buddy. Now you can tighten it. Can you tighten it all the way in there, please?
A bow?
Yeah. So, yeah, and then twist it. There you go. And nice and tight. Is it nice and tight?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Doing it?
Yeah. Good job. All right, well, my little helper left to play, so I guess I'll be finishing this. Now that we got the Fairlead on, we can go ahead and put on the shackle. So they provide a little mini Allen key to get out the set screw. So just remove that and then you'll be able to put on your winch line. there you go. And then we can go ahead and put up the winch line and see how it looks. Alright, and there you go. So the cool thing about this shackle is that it is made from a single billet of 6061 T6 aircraft grade aluminum. It has a working load of 15,000 pounds and a minimum braking strength of 41,000 pounds. It is a ceramic finish with UV and chemical resistant coating, and it also comes with a 5/8 hardened stainless steel pin. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Just a little short and sweet video as we had nothing going on today, so thought we'd have some fun and get a little bit of stuff done as we didn't, like I said, have anything going on. Might as well put some good use to the time. But yeah, anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks again, and we'll catch you on the next one.